Hello and welcome to C programming tutorial series. In this set of videos, I will be talking about the C programming language in general, and I will also be going through various aspects of the C programming language. We will try to understand the intricacies of it and also try and understand the logic behind designing the language the way that it has been designed. We will look into its syntax, various data types, and also work on implementing certain algorithms using C. By the end of this series, you should have a firm understanding of the language and be able to tackle any kind of programming problem using C. So, without much ado, let us get started.